What's up, you guys? So I have my FAB FIT FUN box here. It is giant. I'm so excited about it. When I got it, I was like, what did I pick? So you can customize these boxes, which is really nice. So the few things, most everything in here I customized, or I bought extra because they have a lot of things that are on like a discount, so you can add them to your box, which is great. So let's go ahead and pop this sucker open. Before we get going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not familiar with FAB FIT FUN, I'm gonna try and open this. Ugh. If you're not familiar with FAB FIT FUN, it is a lifestyle box. So anything from beauty to home stuff, workout stuff, like health stuff, even apparel, jewelry. It's kind of why I keep doing it. Oh yeah, baby. So this is a Beyond Yoga gym bag. I think it's a gym bag. This I definitely picked out, and I was really surprised that it was still available because I missed the customization by like a day. I was late. Cute. Okay, it's a backpack. Ooh, dropping stuff. It's got a drawstring here, so the top is drawstring and a button, and you can make it, it looks like, oh, you can make it like a tote or a backpack, and they're adjustable straps. And it's got a full zip down here for your shoes. This is amazing. This is gonna be oh, I might use this as a work bag, honestly, or just like a travel bag. This is insanely big. This is kind of great. I wonder if my laptop monitor will fit in here. You have some side pocket, 2 side pockets. You can hear me. And then you have a zip pocket on the inside here. Hot dang. I have no idea how much this costs. It says scan to see the full collection and enjoy 20% off your first purchase. So I don't think I've ever bought Beyond Yoga online, so I might be able to use this to pick up something from their website. That's great. I like this. It's very soft. You can tell like this is shiny and that typical like almost like nylon like backpack strap material. But this is like soft, like a flat black, and I'm excited. We usually get some cards in here. So this is a like win a tote, like scratch off win a tote thing. And this is a HelloFresh coupon. So probably won't use that. This is the Briogeo Color Me Brilliant Mushroom and Bamboo Color Protect Conditioner and Shampoo. So full size, which is great. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. I've really been wanting a color shampoo because I feel like I start to get kind of warm and brassy up there at my roots when it's a few weeks past my hair appointment. So I am really excited to start protecting this blonde a little bit more and using this color shampoo. The funny thing is I have more shampoo and conditioner in this box. So I have the Nuco Super Thick, Supa, S-U-P-A, just FYI, I don't think I'm saying that funny. Super Thick Shampoo and Conditioner, Hair Growth and Density Shampoo and Conditioner. So full size as well, almost 8.5 ounces. This says silicone free, SLS free, paraben free, artificial fragrance free, lightweight, gentle foaming. I'm a double wash girly, so I double wash my hair every time I'm in the shower to get the just oil and dry shampoos and any other products. I am a pretty heavy product user, so I want to make sure I'm getting all that gunk and buildup out of my hair. So I'm so excited to have all these shampoo and conditioners that I got at a very nice deal, in addition to my regular Verb shampoo and conditioner, which I will continue to be using. But this is going to be great for us double wash girls that are going to go through shampoo like crazy. I always have this in the subscription order, so I just can set the dry shampoo to ship with the order every time I get a box, and it's $10. So normally this is like a $32 dry shampoo, so it just ships to me every time for $10 because I know I'm going to use it, I know I'm going to want it, and I might as well pick it up for 10 bucks instead of 32. So love of Living Proof, a perfect hair day dry shampoo. This is the Earth Harbor Aqua Aura reparative eye cream, seaweed collagen, and blue tansy. Never heard of blue tansy. It's restorative and awakening, featuring brightening and hydration combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, potent antioxidants, replenishing plant oils, and soothing cream, soothing actives for an eye area that look firmer and feel stronger. So, ooh, oh, whoops, that's a little coming out of the jar there. Oh, there's no like little cap in there. That's not normal. It smells, oh yeah, it smells very like spa. Well, we're gonna clean that up and definitely use that, because I think that's perfect to have like in the bathroom when I'm just finished washing my face and just want to put something on my eyes. These are the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads with glycolic and lactic acid, safe for sensitive skin. So these are just like exfoliator individual pads that you can brighten and tone your skin with. I use glycolic acid every day out of the shower just to help with brightening my skin and kind of smoothing my skin surface. So this is going to be really nice actually. I wish this came in a small, I honestly wish this was a smaller container. But okay, it's got a cover on this one, but let's just go ahead and peel it up so we can see what it is. You've got individual pads in there, so you can pick one of those up and use it on your face, on your clean face ideally, and then that will just help to brighten and smooth your skin texture. So I can always use a little bit more of that. Oh my goodness, this is the Osei Ocean Cleanser. So it looks like big full size here. Wake your skin up and your senses. This seaweed infused gel cleanser removes everything from surface impurities to excess oils. Our pH balance formula gently exfoliates. Wow. Glass bottle. We love Osei stuff. OC, not Osei. Our pH balance formula gently exfoliates to unclog pores without stripping skin, delivers mineral-rich hydration for radiant complexion you can see and feel. This is going to be really nice to have like on the counter so I can use it with my my new skin cleanser thing. So cool. Last thing in the box is the Coors Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel, Olive Blossom Shower Gel. Interesting. Creamy foam shower gel enriched with toning olive leaf extract. Cleanses gently and helps to maintain natural hydration level of the skin. Ideal for everyday use. Well, good, because I don't want a cleanser that I can only use so often. This is the worst. It's got one of those little perforations on it, but it's not perforating properly. Whoa. What the fuck is that? It's like a four-wheeler on steroids. I'm making progress. Oh my god. Like it smells like a citrusy body wash. Okay, I'm excited. Alright you guys, that is everything in my box. I'm so excited. This is a ginormous box. Put all my things back in here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my FAB FIT FUN unboxing. If you have any questions about FAB FIT FUN, let me know. If you do it, I would love to know if you enjoyed your box, if you got your spring box and were like, this is everything. I think my favorite thing is the backpack bag from Beyond Yoga. I just think that I'm going to use this travel-wise a ton, and I think that it's going to come in super handy. It's super chic, and I think it's actually a gym bag, but it's probably going to be a backpack for me, just a regular work or travel backpack, because I have, like, in my gym bag I have one of those bar pads, and my gym bag is like a longer, like typical like gym bag with the zipper on top, so I don't think my bar pad will fit in here, but I know that this is obviously going to be helpful to put like your shoes in the bottom part, so maybe I'll just like keep a pair of slides in here or something just in case. But yeah, I think that's my favorite thing, and then of course all the shampoos. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I hope you guys are happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!